Best perfume layering duos with Bath & Body Works. I like to layer things that smell similar. The new Finery Pistachio Please is Sweetheart Cherry without the cherry. Another one that's very similar. That patchouli is strong here. Very similar. Spring vibes. This is Lancôme Original. As of February 2024, these are all available at Bath & Body Works. Bath & Body Works changes the packaging all the time, but the fragrance is more or less the same. A nice musky rose that's perfect for work. Not too strong and won't offend many people. This is Prada Paradoxe Intense. Very, very similar. Don't wear this to work, it's too bold. Old Bath & Body Works packaging, but similar juice. When something smells similar, fragrance notes don't always tell the full story. Another work-friendly duo. If you love fresh florals, Hello Beautiful by Bath & Body Works is a layering must-have. Remember that all the Bath & Body Works scents come in a matching lotion and body wash, so layering is the way to go. These are very similar. I'm shocked that this doesn't get more attention. A fresh fragrance classic. I love this at work. In the Stars is also similar to BR Rouge plus Cloud. This is my second bottle. I love it so much. As you can see, I have a huge body care collection. Ask me anything in the comments. Questions, suggestions. Your question could be the topic of my next video. Until next time, I am Pearl Denise and this is Beauty Body Pearl.